Hey everyone, I'm gonna tell you how to set up your PostgreSQL environment and establish a connection with Netbeans through Java. Really simple. And first of all, we're gonna download a pgAdmin tool that will set up a local server with your environment. Download the installer. I chose the latest version, and I've already downloaded it. And when we set it up, we're gonna type a password. This will be the password for your local host. So remember this password. I'll make it really simple, so that there's nothing to hide. And let's see. Afterwards, when this is done, we'll have to set up a driver in Netbeans and connect to the server. Let's see. Oh, I just didn't paste that properly. Let's see. You can get the driver through JDBC, PostgresQL, and I chose the latest one. Also, I have no true argument for doing this, choosing the latest and drivers and stuff, but that's just what I do right now. Let's see. Yes. And stack builder, that's not necessary. So establish a connection with your server. You'll have to go to the services tab, open databases, and show drivers, and choose the PostgreSQL and say connect using. It will set up a standard. This is the username for the pgAdmin, and it's standard set up as Postgres. So, and my password is 1234. So we'll just say next. It says select schema, what schema I want to work with. I'm just going for the information schema, and it gives me an input connection name, and I'll just paste this part of it, and I'll go finish. That part I just pasted has to go right here in the connection through the driver manager. You'll paste the URL for the connection and your username and the password. So the password is gonna be public. So don't waste yourself making a really safe one for testing, of course. But we'll still when doing this and being connected with the database, it will still throw the ClassNotFoundException on the driver, even though we located the driver in the source package of your project. So what we need to do now is to simply add the driver to the compile when you run your project. So I'm gonna open this and add it in the libraries compile and say OK. And right now every time I run the project, it would compile the jar file, and now it should be possible to have a connection. Yes, and now it's possible to read, write, and do whatever you want with your PostgreSQL local environment with Netbeans. Enjoy.